Today we're going inside Akins Ford to check out our latest Ford Bronco Apex Edition Custom. So here we go, a 2022 Akins Ford Bronco Area 51 Big Bend NLB 03851 for reference. The Big Bend is a great segment as far as the package because of the overall initial price point. We can do many customizations that make the Bronco a legit Bronco and offering finally, much like what we do with the Wranglers and Gladiators. But this one here, y'all, 2-inch lifted for our Apex Edition options. And we are on 35s with TIS 556. You got the black face with the beadlock ring and that anthracite gray color. TIS, some nice details in there. Just a great overall rugged wheel. TIS just recently introduced off-road wheels of smaller diameters. This is a 17 by 9. -12 offset, so mild to wild scale. We are right in that mid-level range. This to me is a great balance as far as not being too far out or too far tucked in, with a mud terrain tire from Toyo and 35, 12.5, 17. So you can't knock real deal on this one because we're 17 on 35, and that gray in the beadlock there matches nicely with the gray on your hardtop, because you remember this hardtop was not available in black later in the production process from Ford, so it went to this gray Mick hardtop, which I think it works well with the right wheel combo. Out back we did an addictive desert design, and I love that you got the tag bracket located on the bumper, not up here like we've seen some of the other offerings as far as location wise. Now out back, a cool feature is the Bronco OE table. This table for camping, tailgating, or just needing to put your boys' gear on there before going and playing a baseball tournament. The Bronco table is a great option, good and sturdy as well. We include the Gorilla Wrench kit for if you're on the trail, you need to get out of a jam. That's included for all of our Apex Edition packages, as well as the Hypertech Speedo cowl, and you can see the all-weather floor mats front and rear. Even on the Big Bend, the interior is very premium and just a quality overall feel. It does have a rear locking differential, and the steering wheel, of note, is smaller in diameter in comparison to other vehicles in this segment. Just gives you that sporty Can-Am vibe that I just truly love. You got your GOAT modes down there as well. It has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost, so no worries there. Still has adequate power to turn these 35s. And to help get in the vehicle, we got the Go Rhino SB20 Raptor style. Put these on the wifey's vehicle, and I love how it's a good, confident footprint for your vehicle to get in and out of. And look, we're rocking the 1 carbon fibers today, y'all. Had to for a special Bronco build. Rigid A-pillar lights give you a little more confidence while off-roading, essentially like a good ditch light. And just doing a single pair, I don't like running 2 up there on either side. Looks just too cluttered. 1 on each side is more than enough light and still has that good overall clean appearance. So just run a pair up there, not 4, and then a full parts bumper up front with a worn Xeon 8,000-pound winch with synthetic rope, a nice fair lead, and the 4-part skid plate down below. Now keep in mind, if this did have a front camera, you would be obstructing that view with the bar and essentially the winch too. So keep that in mind if you want to add a winch. Be specific on what front bumper or application you choose to make sure everything works. Another diamond at Akins, Area 51 has been a very popular color. Of course, I'm wanting more colors, more variations, but this one here has been a fan favorite at the dealership and with all of our great customers because we've sold and customized so many of them. So stay tuned for all that and more coming up next. Let me know in the comments what color you'd like to see. Peace out.